In today's video, I'll be taking the cheapest gas bike off-road, and we proved that you don't need thousands of dollars to hit the dirt. You just need a terrible idea and a whole lot of luck. Yo, there's no way. In this box is a bike I regret selling. If you're an OG member of the channel, then you'll know exactly what this bike is. Mini bike. It's pretty much like their old mini bike, but completely upgraded with every single thing you want to upgrade on a mini bike. Straight out the box, pretty much. But it's actually nice that they include a nice LED bar light that's you can take on and off your bike. That actually doesn't look ugly. And this bike comes with suspension straight out the box. But this bike is the upgraded knobby tires, which is pretty much their own brand of tires, but wrong. E-bikes are fun and all, but I low-key miss the mini bike. Alright, so the mini bike is fully built now. I filled it up with gas and oil. I did take it for a little ride yesterday. I'm honestly not even gonna share if I put that part of the video in. But I was basically just breaking it in pretty much. Like, probably comes with the best hydraulic brakes out the box. Like, I'm not even joking. First ride on the FRP mini bike, I definitely noticed a big difference from the old one with the hydraulic brakes and the upgrade tires and stuff like that. But it was a good break-in ride, but now I'm gonna be back when the sun comes out, just like this. I put my... Yo.
What? Oh, I'm hitting that?
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, one rock just hit it.
Huh? You had no door?
Yeah. Nah, kind of. Currently out in the middle of nowhere. I'm on my brand new mini bike. He's on my RM7. But hopefully you guys can hear me. Avalanche. Go down there and see how much gas I have, then we might hit like this new spot. Back on the road again. But I don't even think you guys can barely even hear me. We're gonna go down there. You wanna go first? You got the taller bike. Bro, I lost my kickstand spring. Need like a stick or something to like just climb. Then you have to lift them over this.
Huh?
Then you have to lift it over this.
No, we go around it.
I mean we could do it. I don't know. I don't know about with the mini bike though. I'll try it with my other bike another day. But I cannot see the bump. Bro, the mini bike's actually pretty fun. I don't know, I think I just didn't tighten it. I just think I just didn't tighten my kickstand. Yeah. Alright, let's go back. Alright, so we're back out on the mini bike. I just wanted to pop out on it one last time. Now that I put a zip tie on the kickstand, and I also adjusted the throttle a little bit, so the throttle feels like way better now. But I also kind of want to try and wheelie it. We're pretty much just mess around here and go home pretty much. That's it. It'll be like the last attempt. Honestly, don't know how I was able to like wheelie my other mini bike. I kind of want to wheelie the mini bike, but these brakes low-key haven't really broken in yet. So I'm not really trying to loop on it. Alright, so do I think the FRP GMB 100P is worth it? For $500, it's a really solid bike. To be honest with you, some Walmart bikes cost $500 these days, and for what you're getting, even if you were to buy the base stock FRP, it's gonna cost way more to put all these upgrades. Let me just list the upgrades. Upgraded hydraulic brakes, upgraded forks, and upgraded tires. I'd probably say this is probably one of the best cheap gas bikes out there, especially if you want a mini bike. I'm gonna end off the video here. If you are planning to pick this bike up, if there is any discounts, I'll put them in the pinned comment. But aside from that, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.